On this vehicle, the reverse wires are part of a wiring harness that connects the rear light assembly. We use a multimeter to test and determine the correct wires to demonstrate the wiring connections. After you have located the reverse lamp wires, use a wire splice connector to connect the power cable from the transmitter to the positive cable on the reverse lamp. Next, use a wire splice connector to connect the ground cable from the transmitter to the negative cable on the reverse lamp. Do not permanently mount the transmitter. Set the transmitter in an area you plan to mount it and connect the camera so you can test the mounting location. When the transmitter is installed in an ideal location, you will see video from the camera appear on your Garmin device when you place the vehicle in reverse. If you do not see video, check the wiring identification and connections. If the connections are good, try placing the transmitter in a different location until you can see the video from the camera on your Garmin device. The camera bracket can be secured to the license plate using the existing license plate screws. Disconnect the license plate, clip the bracket and camera, and reinstall the license plate. Next, determine the best place to enter the vehicle and connect the transmitter. For this installation, you will enter the vehicle through the license plate light hole. Next, we will route the camera cable through the hole and connect it to the transmitter cable. If needed, 50-foot extension cables are available from your Garmin dealer. Remember, if you cannot make the connection from the camera to the transmitter in a protected location, you must use heat shrink tubing to make the connection water resistant. Secure the camera to the bracket using the two included hex bolts. Adjust the angle of the camera and tighten the hex bolts using the included hex key. After you have mounted the camera and connected it to the transmitter, test the angle of the installation. Note the camera angle on the Garmin device and make any necessary adjustments. In the next video, we'll discuss configuring the camera guidance lines.